Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys, here in sunny but cold Florida. It's been cold here. It got down into the low 50s the other night, and that's pretty darn cold for southern Florida. We took a Harley ride down to the Keys a week or so ago, and I froze my booty off, and it was 70 degrees, but when you're on a Harley and you're moving, 70 degrees feels like 50, but we still had a good time. So I'm scrolling through social media and I come across this painting, and I cannot give credit to who did it because I can't find it again, but it's stuck in my head. And what it is, it's a beautiful blue and dark black sky that has a moon centered in the top center part of it. And then there's a horizon line, and then there's trees, and there's water below. And it was very simple, a little bit of brushwork and whatnot. So I'm going to attempt what's in my head, and if I can find this artist who did this, I will certainly pay credit where credit is due, but it really inspired me. I'm actually going to do the canvas this way. Now this will be kind of threefold. I'm going to do the background, and then I'm going to have to let it dry. And then I'm going to come in, and I have a bunch of different round circle stencils. And centered in the upper part, I'm going to do the moon. And then I'm going to splatter some stars above. And then we'll do a horizon line. And then we'll do a tree line. And then we'll do a water line. So it's going to be threefold. And I love just things that take a while. I work on one thing, put it aside to dry, and then fiddle with something else. And that makes us girls heart happy. So we're starting off with a reused canvas that actually has a little bit of texture in it, and I'm okay with that. And the colors that I'm going to be using is Amsterdam Standard Series in the Prussian Blue. We also have Amsterdam Standard Series in the Lamp Black. And we have Meeden paints. Guys, these are good paints, and they have a sample box that is on sale now. I think it's 100 different colors. They're small tubes. They're only 0.4 fluid ounces. I love using them for my jelly prints because you got to be real careful how much paint you put on your jelly pad. And these help keep me honest, and I have a discount code in the description box, so please give them a holler, give them a try. I'm enjoying these paints. This is Meeden, and it is Cerulean Blue. Now, I'm not sure if I'll add another color. I'll mix that up as I go, but it's going to be kind of a lighter, brighter blue sky in the center, and then coming down here for the water area. Then we'll go darker again, let it dry. We'll do the moon, we'll do the horizon line, and then we'll work on the trees, and I'll use my lovely fan brush. Let's talk about a fan brush real quick. Kelly Stoll, the Ferro one, gave me advice. I like a stiff brush. For me, it gives me more control when it comes to a fan brush. And all of my fan brushes were very soft. And she said, Kathleen, buy a fan brush that's made for oil painting, which I did. And nice and stiff. I absolutely love it. And I'll show that to you when we get rolling on that section. So that's what we're here to do, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're not overwhelmed by the holidays to come. My favorite time of year. Glad you're here, guys. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy on this.
die. Now I'm dying to let you know what I feel is some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Yeah, we're walking on cloud nine. Yeah, we're walking on cloud nine. I've been a fool to live without your love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Oh, we're walking on cloud nine.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. the bed.